What's up, YouTube? So I like to do live videos, nothing staged. So this was just towed in. Car does not start. 43,000 miles on the clock. Last place to change your oil is Pep Boys. So they say come back at 41. The customer went over. So we're going to check the oil. So since it doesn't start, I like to start with for a no start, right? Because look, there's a brand new battery installed. I'm curious to see what's going on there. It's odd that the car has a new battery at this mileage, but it's not uncommon. You see that? So the top dot here is full, top dot is low, the engine's way below. 43,000 miles. No oil leaks, oil consumption issues already. Bet your ass they didn't even do a GDI service yet. Now the diag begins. Now we got to find out what's going on. The customer said there was a TSB about the starter wire. Good for you, Mr. Customer. 43,000 miles, consuming tons of oil. Customer went over the oil sticker.